Alright people, in my first video I showed how to erase the background on Pixlr. Now, if you're a beginner and have just started learning how to do this I'm going to show you is if you go to erase the background and it takes some of the picture that you want. So I took her hair, so edit, undo. I use this lasso tool and then click polygon. Now polygon works by each click of the mouse, it will like stop it there or take a little pause or whatever. Now it's going to go. So I'm just going to go around her head. Now to edit, cut, and there you go. I think down here it doesn't need it like that. Okay. Now I can go around and just erase up there. See? That's simple, guys and girls. So for those people who are trying to do merch or create t-shirts or anything like that where you need to delete the background, that's the way you do it. The next video I'll go back over to my Android and show the same thing on that. Thank you for watching. If you want to like and subscribe, go ahead. I don't really care either way because I'm just making this for people that I come across online and they need help with this. Thank you.